Hello, you beautiful souls. So today I've got kind of like a DIY project. Bear with me. So, we've been talking about pendulums and how to use them. Now, a thought came to me. When I was younger and I was skint, very skint, I wanted a pendulum, but they were like 5, 6 quid at the time, and I couldn't spare that because it was either cigarettes or pendulum, and I wanted me cigs. So I did DIY pendulum. So here I've literally got a little bit of string, right, and there's a moon crystal. All you do is put it together, program your pendulum like I've taught you. So, show me yes. Hey, worked first time. Thank you. Show me no. Show me maybe, right? DIY pendulums. Somebody gifted this necklace to me. I can't remember who. My memory is dreadful. But somebody gifted this necklace to me. Couldn't find my pendulum. Wrap it round, do the same. Show me yes, show me no. Right, even down to necklaces, anything. As long as it dangles, you can use it. So, DIY your pendulums. Spirituality does not have to be expensive. You do not need fancy crystals. You do not need fancy things. You literally need you, your mind and commitment, and that is it. And I will be doing lots more DIY things to help you out, so follow along. Thanks very much.